and see if the car could shoot flames once again. Oh my god! Hey fam, welcome to today's video. It's Dark Rise, and I woke up with a crazy idea. Well, basically last night I was on the freeway and I got really inspired by this Evo 10. I was on the freeway, this dude was shooting massive flames and he had a single exit exhaust. And if you guys remember from the beginning, I used to shoot flames on my car like crazy before I blew my motor up. But ever since I put back in my resonator, as well as two small resonators in the very back from that video I made of the best exhaust for my Kia. Make sure if you guys haven't watched it, go check that one out. I had a dual exhaust setup there. Now, I really got inspired by that Evo X and I was like, dude, I want to shoot fire again. So I'm gonna go down to a shop called Best Mufflers out here in Lake Elsinore. I'm gonna see if they could get me a single exit exhaust and see if the car could shoot flames once again. Real quick, I finally got the license plate frames in. As you see, we got two options. We have white as well as gold. Let me unpack this one real quick for you, show you guys how the gold looks. They actually do come with caps for the bolts. So fam, head on over to the site. If you guys get yourself a license plate, you have your two options, white and gold, for the same price. But if you guys get your guys' license plate frame, I'm gonna throw in a random decal, a pair of two. So make sure you guys get your guys' frames before they sell out because they are very limited. So fam, head on over to the site before they sell out. Remember, the quality is really good. They are made out of stainless steel with a gloss black finish, and also includes pins so that you can hold your license plate, as well as bolt caps so that you guys don't have your bolts exposed. So remember guys, these are very limited. Go cop yourself the license plate frame. Remember, 2 decals for every license plate frame you get. Now let's get back to the video. Alright fam, I'm back from the shop and I have the car out here. I'm yet to do sound clips because I didn't want to do it at the shop. I want to do it here. There was a Camaro ZL1 there that was freaking loud. It was cammed, straight pipe, and I didn't want to rev my car in front of that V8. So here is how the final look is. A single catback exhaust on a freaking turbo Kia Optima. I'm yet to see this. Like I've said, I've only seen it in one blue one, but I'm not sure if that's a turbo or if it's just an EX, because I do know the EX come already with a single exhaust setup. But man, dude, that thing looks like a cannon. That thing looks crazy. Now, I'm not going to rev it here because this is my neighborhood and I don't want my neighbors to get mad. So we're going to head down to Mexico and find a good location where we could get some pools and get some good exhaust clips with this new setup. But before I go, let's turn on the car and let's at least hear how the idle sounds. Not as loud as before for the idle, not even close compared to the straight pipe, but I freaking love it. It sounds almost like a Subaru, and the crazy thing is it shoots a lot of air out the back. Like I could literally feel about a foot away just a bunch of air hitting my palm. Now let's test my luck and see if the car could also shoot flames down there in Mexico. Now fam, go comment down below which exhaust setup you guys like better, the dual big tip exhaust setup or the single catback exhaust setup. Comment down below because I'm still letting this exhaust setup grow on me. I love the tone and I love the way it sounds, but the look is what is most important also, because that's what is gonna show and let other people see, you know, from the rear end. So guys, comment down below, which one do you guys like better? I still do have the old one, so I could always replace it if I ever want to. Arriba Tijuana! Arriba Tijuana! This thing sounds crazy. And the crazy part is the blow-off valve now is much louder since there's no drone in the cabin. Full rip with the new exhaust. Downshift. Here we go. Woo! Shit, bro. I noticed this freaking Nissan in front of me ripped it too. This little Pathfinder ripped it too in front of me. I was like, why is there a bunch of smoke coming out of his exhaust? Full rip. Here we go. Oh my god. Bro, what the hell was that? Yo, that was sick. That pop in between shifts though, that was sick. Oh my god, that was fun. Has to be shooting flames, because like when I was straight pipe, it was making the same notes that it is now. I do have the Insta 360 hooked up in the back. This thing has to be shooting flames. Like if not, I'm gonna be like so sad. I can't wait till I look back in the footage from the Insta 360. I'm gonna be going through like 30 minutes worth of footage, and hopefully there will be a shot of at least one flame, at least. If not, I'll be so sad. Fam, we finally did it. We finally got flames on the Kia, dude. Like after such a long time, it's been about a year or two that I haven't shot flames, and I've been chasing flames for such a long time, like doing so many upgrades and doing little adjustments to the exhaust, and we finally did it with this single exit exhaust. All right, fam, please go do me the favor and go hit the like button for finally reaching this goal of shooting flames. It'll mean a lot. But I'm gonna cut the video short. I got congested, and I'm I'm feeling a little bit drained from this congestion right now. But guys, stay tuned to the next video because I got something that's gonna make the car shoot massive flames. So stay tuned guys, I promise. This is gonna be crazy. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.